I'm Guy from Jackson's 4x4. We've got a brand new D-Max here and we've just finished a build on this one for Wayne from South Australia. I'm going to show you through some of the work we've done on this vehicle to set it up for touring and camping so that Wayne can get out and enjoy this great country. On the front here, we've started off with the ARB Summit bar. This has been colour coded in the blue paintwork finish to match up with the vehicle's factory paint. These are a great bar offering fantastic protection. They look great and they fit in nicely with the vehicle as well. On top, we've bolted on a Stedi double row light bar which has been wired into the higher beams. These work really well and they're a good size to fit between the uprights on the Summit bar. Wayne's gone with the carbon 9,500 pound winch which has got the synthetic rope. We've got the red hook on the end and the carbon horse fair lead as well. This is all hidden in behind the flip up number plate bracket from ARB, and we've got some little trap doors which allow us access into the winch to change between gear and free spool. Underneath we've got a pair of the ARB rated recovery points left and right for a bit of recovery if required, and we've got the ARB under vehicle protection system. This is a bash plate package covering right from the bull bar back to the back of the transmission to give us solid heavy duty protection when we are off-road and hitting the tracks. Underneath, Wayne's got the Old Man Emu suspension system. This uses the Nitrocharger Sport shock absorbers front and rear. We've got Old Man Emu coil springs in the front, Old Man Emu leaf springs in the back which have been weight rated to suit the weight that he is carrying, and then we've got greasable shackles, pins, U-bolts and some bushers. With these suspension systems we can increase the vehicle's GVM if required. That way if you're carrying more load we can give you some payload to make sure you stay nice and legal. Up on the roof we've got a Rhino Pioneer platform which looks sleek. This gives us the ability for a bit of extra storage, mount a solar panel, and it also is the home to our new Stedi work lights. We've got two on the left and two on the right. These are a high output light. They're individually switched so that we can use one side or the other at a time to provide us some work lighting and some camp lighting if required. On the back, Wayne's got a Norweld package. This is the canopy base with a full-time canopy, and this has been colour coded as well, which looks really neat and tidy, ties in with that factory paintwork. We've got a pair of under tray toolboxes, one on each side, a little bit of additional storage, and then I'll pop open the canopy and show you inside. This one's got a nice big storage shelf on the passenger side. We've got a little bit more storage here, and then we've got our pull-out drawer. This is generally used as a bit of a kitchen or a pantry. And then on the bottom, we've got our slide-out table with the nice finishing touch of the map of Australia. These are available with your choice of fridge slide. Wayne's gone for the Easy Slide, the ES220 Plus, which is big enough to handle most of the bigger chest fridges on the market. And then we've got our electrical system up the front with the Redarc BMS. We've got the battery display, a few power outlets and all of our circuit breakers as well. And then we've got our door lighting which gives us the ability to change from white to amber, and we've got brightness adjustment as well. I'll pop around the other side and show you what we've got there. Another under tray toolbox on this side. And then in the canopy we've got a nice big storage area on the top. We've got the Redarc 2000 watt inverter. We've got lighting up the top here which is adjustable the same as the other side, and then we've got one large drawer for some bulk storage on this side. All of the drawers and the storage areas on the Norwelds have the rubber matting. We've got the one-piece flared wheel arches. We've got our tank underneath the tray with the tap up the front for some water storage. These Norwelds house the factory radars so they're compliant with all of the rear collision. We've got spare wheel mount on the right hand side, jerry can holder on the left hand side, and a ladder up to the top with the roof rack which comes standard on all the Norwelds. This one's one of the first ones to have the new tail lights from Norweld which are specific to Norweld. A really neat light that's been built in collaboration between Autolamp and Norweld. And then we've got our rear drawer as well. Bit of extra storage. These are fully sealed, keep the dust and water out. A lot of people put their recovery gear or some tools or camping gear or whatnot. Underneath we've wired up the tow bar. We've got an Anderson plug, the trailer plug which is a genuine Isuzu, And then we've also fitted up the Redarc electronic brake controller as well. Up on top of our Norweld, we've got the Bush Company 270 awning. These are something we've been doing a few of lately. I'll just quickly open that up and give you a look. These provide a lot more shade than your traditional awning. They are a bit bigger and bulkier, but it depends what you're after, whether you're after maximum shade or whether you want something sleek. So they open right up and swing right around, hence the name, the 270-degree awning. And then you just hook the strap onto your roof rack. So this one I've already got set up, ready to go. They are becoming pretty popular, the new 270-degree awnings. They got plenty of inbuilt heavy-duty framework, so that way you've got you know, good strength and protection. So that's nice and taut now. Gives you plenty of shade all around, so you can access your canopy door on the side. You can come around to the rear drawer. You can set up chairs. You can have swags. Whatever you want to do, you've got great protection from the weather. That's about all for this build. It's another awesome build we've put together with some great products from brands such as ARB, Norweld, Old Man Emu. If you like what you've seen, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications, and keep an eye out for the next build breakdown.